In this part, we are going to talk about event bubbling. So what is event bubbling? When an event happens on an element, it first runs the handlers on it, then on its parents, and then all the way up on other ancestors. So in our case, we want to add the event listener to our input first name, and then the input form will be triggered, and then the container, and at last is the document. So in diagram, it's just like this. When you click the first name, it will trigger the input form, and it will trigger the container, and at last it will trigger the document. So now we go to implement our code. First we add the document .query selector, and then first name .add event listener, and then click, and it will trigger the functions. Console.log first name, and then we add another listener to the input form, and we change this to input form. And then we change this to container, and we console.log the container. And at last we just add the document. So we add the add event listener to our document, and console.log the document. So when you click on the first name, you will see the input form container, and the document will also be triggered. So if this is not what you want, you can add the event.stop propagations. So we add the E here, and E.stop propagations. And now if we try again and click on the first name, you'll see it will only have the first name here. If this is what you want, you have to add the stop propagations at the functions.